If you've been using Asana for a while and now need to update your password, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to change your Asana password in 2025. The process is simple, but I'll make sure you don't miss a single detail. First, open your browser and head over to the official Asana website. From there, go to the login page, enter the email address connected to your Asana account, click Continue, and then type in your current password. Once you're logged in, you should land on your Asana homepage. Now, to change your password, look at the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select My Settings. This will open up your account settings panel. Inside the settings, navigate to the Security tab. Here, you'll find the option to change your password. Click on it, and Asana will prompt you to enter your current password first. After that, type in your new password and confirm it by re-entering it. Make sure you choose a strong password, something that combines upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Once you've filled everything in, click Save Changes. That's it. Your Asana password has now been successfully updated, and you'll use the new one the next time you log in. And just like that, you've secured your Asana account with a fresh password. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.